Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an additional clock in Windows 11. First, just open your settings or just go to start and then search for the date and time like this. And then in here, just go to the show time and type in system tray. Just click on the drop down and then next just adjust the additional clock over here. Just tap on change and then just choose the time that you want to show, and then change. And then for the additional clock, just set it to like this. You can also adjust the display name over here, for example like this, and then when you're done, you can just check it by click on the time at the bottom right corner of your screen like this, and then in here you will see two additional time zones display. It's super easy and very useful. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.